Hello everyone, my name is Auntie Q. Welcome to October Kitchen. Today I'm making peanut rice, or if you want to call it peanut and rice. So here I have a pound of peanuts and 4 cups of rice and a medium coconut. First I'm going to wash the peanut to make sure that any little shell or dust or things left on it is gone. Make sure you wash it as clean as possible. I make sure I remove anything that I don't want to be in my food from the peanut. Then I'm going to add 5 cups of water, 2 pegs of garlic, and put it on the stove to cook. While I have my peanut cooking, I'm going to prepare my coconut. I already have it shelled, so I'm just going to cut them in small pieces and blend, just to extract the milk from the coconut. I realize the longer you blend, the more milk is subtracted from the nut. So make sure you blend properly. Now I'm removing the milk from the coconut. So I use my trusted strainer and I separate the trash from the milk. Now you can see thick, nice, delicious coconut milk. Rich. Yeah. Now my peanut have been cooking for about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna add the coconut milk to the peanut. I'm going to leave it there to cook for another 20 minutes. It's been cooking for a while, so I'm just going to be here just checking to make sure that nothing that's sticking to the pot or anything. So next, I'm going to add my seasoning. As usual, you know I have my trusted Walker's with jerk seasoning, garlic powder, complete seasoning, and my Maggi all-purpose. Here I have some scallion, thyme, pimento, sweet pepper, a little piece of sweet pepper, not much, and a green hot pepper. This time I'm using the mild jerk seasoning. So it's been 20 minutes since I add the coconut milk to the peanuts. So now I'm gonna add my seasonings. Make sure you have it on a low to medium heat. So I had my thyme, sweet pepper, scallion, and pimento. Now I'm going to add my powdered seasoning. So I have a teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of all-purpose, and same half teaspoon of complete seasoning, and a teaspoon of jerk seasoning. Half teaspoon of salt. Now I'm just going to stir everything together. This bottom is so smooth, I have to keep holding it. Don't want it to slide from the fire. Cover it and leave until the seasonings are cooked. After I had my seasoning to the coconut milk and my peanut, I'm going to wash my rice. So I'm washing it, make sure that everything is off, clean. Pour off that water, add more water and wash again. I'm gonna repeat this about 5 times or until the water is cleared. I like when I wash my rice, I see no white water. I love it when it totally clear. So now I'm gonna check my peanuts just to see if everything is cooked properly. It's ready for the rice. I don't want the peanut to be too soft. I want it to have a little crunch in it. So I just tried it a while ago just to make sure that it's not too soft. You notice the oil on top of the pot. Oh my God, that's coconut, natural coconut. Yeah. I tried the peanut and it's ready, just the way I like it. Oh my God, you should just smell this. I'm sorry you can't smell this. It smells so good in here. Oh my gosh. So now I'm gonna add my rice to my peanut and coconut milk. I love to see the oil on top of the rice. It's so pretty. That's all natural coconut oil there, straight from the coconut. Make sure that everything is well combined. Peanut, rice, seasoning, everything. Gosh, this looks good. And make sure that the water is just a little over the rice. I don't want a lot of water in it because I don't want the rice to get soft. I want my rice to come out shelly. So what I do, I make sure that it's about 1 inch of water or juice over the rice. So now I leave it there to cook. Now here you can see the water has gone down a bit, so you can see more of the peanuts. Oh God, looks good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cover it back and I'm gonna turn down the stove very low so that the rice can steam and don't burn. I'm gonna give you a little close up on what it really looks like in the pot. You can see the peas, the pepper, the scallion, sweet peppers, and you can see the rice trying to push out the little head out there. This is so beautiful. I want to make sure that you see this is not peas, it's peanut. So now I just want to leave it there and let it finish steamed. About the next 15 minutes I check it and this is the result. Wow, everything nice, water dried out, or sorry, the liquid dried out. Our rice is nice and shelly, cooked, beautiful peanut rice. When you close up, see, rice is cooked. Oh my God, I'm sorry you can't smell it. It smells good, trust me. Sorry I can't smell it. It just leave a nice aroma in the kitchen. The whole place just smells nice. So now you have it, my peanut rice, or if you want to call it peanut and rice. And now for the taste test. My sister. Come on, Keisha, tell me what you think.
It's nice. I'm not have to try this. I'm not have to try this. If nothing else, I'm not have to try this. It have the perfect balance. The rice can't get no nicer than this. It's shelly, as we would say. It's shelly. It's nice, people. Man, I don't feel the scrabble, but nobody else not get none of this. Nice.
So remember to like, subscribe and share to my channel, and don't forget to touch that notification button so you know when I upload another video. Until next time.